What is DNA? Well, we often hear DNA referenced in scientific settings in our daily lives. However, we seldom stop and think, what is DNA? Well, DNA is short for deoxyribonucleic acid, and each human cell contains 3 meters of this DNA. This DNA is tightly coiled and stored in chromosomes, which allows for DNA to be stored efficiently in the cell and replicated at a later date. More specifically, DNA is made up of nucleotides that are composed of sugar, phosphate groups, and nitrogenous bases. There are 4 of these bases: the purines, adenine and guanine, followed by the pyrimidines, thymine and cytosine. Now, each of these 2 groups are chemical compounds that come together to form DNA in the traditional double helix structure. Adenine bonds with thymine and guanine binds with cytosine. Now, let's take a closer look into the cell itself. So, as we look into the DNA double helix structure, DNA is stored in the nucleus or control center of our cells in tightly packed chromosomes. It is then reproduced as these cells divide and proliferate throughout the body. In the end, DNA contains the genetic sequence that makes us who we are as unique human beings and is vital to our very genetic